we got our parts. We got the combine apart, but we had some sheet metal delivered from Menards. All good. So now we're trying to fix the combine, hopefully get that over there done. Beanhead just won't quit giving us trouble. We did some work on it there earlier, replaced one of the, oh, they call it the wobble gear on the ends of the head. Had to replace one of the bearing shafts on it. That you got your little clamp that comes from your sickle to it. Had to replace that. And then after we got going, finally, here just a little bit ago, Dad said he smelled something hot, and on the one end that we had trouble with that stainless sheet that we had to fix, the roller that's there on the end, the front bearing, apparently is going out because it was getting hot. So tried to cool it down, tried to spray some lithium grease up in it, and then he just unloaded on me here, and I got out and sprayed some more grease up in it. It's getting warm still, but it's not hot where you can't even touch the belt, so we're gonna try to get by so far. We got the water truck that we made over there by him, so in case something does happen. But we ain't got too much more to do, and hopefully we'll just be done for the night. They're gonna come down in the morning hopefully and what's wrong with it. Yeah, we're done here. Got the other truck full. Dealer called and they're not going to be able to send a mechanic down. So Dad's going to run up tonight probably and get our bearings and try to take it apart in the morning. Hopefully not have any more trouble. Well, we went up to Arcola yesterday and got a different drain table because we was having issues with ours to finish out. Got back, got it hooked up, got equipment moved. And then we started having issues with the combine. Something was kind of beating around. So couldn't figure out what it was for sure. So we just went ahead, kept going. There ended up being a bearing going bad. The dealer came down to help figure out why it went bad. And got it apart last night. Dad ran up, got parts this morning and got it back together. So now we're back over here. Gonna try to finish up on this nice day. Yeah, we got the semi full already. Had to change out his air filter. It was pretty well plugged up 3/4 of the way around, so we haven't changed it for a few days, and with all this bean fuzz dust, it sucks it in there and plugged it up. Plus it's probably low 80s today, so it's plenty warm. So it's running a little hot, so got it changed out. Now I'm gonna go unload the semi. beans. We got a neighbor here that's gonna help do this patch while Dad's over here on the other side of the trees. Because we got about a 60-70% chance of rain tomorrow, so we're gonna try to get these done.